how to download automation builder and install. Then open Chrome and search automation builder 2.7 download and click automation builder. Then down and click automation builder 2.7 64-bit version. Download and done. Then click open. Then open and run. Please wait. Okay. Language selection is okay, English. Please wait while the installer. Then install automation builder and agree, tick and next. Then click your useful libraries and motion controller, Modbus TCP, cluster configuration and control panel CP 600. Then download and install. And this type downloading done. Then installing done. Then finish the cancel surface disk type finish. And all ABV software downloaded for use. And for information videos के लिए like, share and subscribe. Thank you.